So this unusual package showed up. You can see it as a Pikachu Pokemon situation and a Razer logo going on over there. These two products showed up together, the Hammerhead True Wireless Earbuds. But then this one is the one that caught my attention because it's got a Pokeball on it and has the same Hammerhead Wireless Earbuds but in yellow. So I did a little bit of research. This unit on the right is a China exclusive limited edition collaboration between Razer and Pokemon, and it lets your full wireless earbuds charge up inside of the Pokeball. That's some next level stuff for the Pokemon fans out there, certainly, but it's also just a unique implementation. There's so many wireless, fully wireless headsets out there, and this is a unique way of doing it. And since I wanted to evaluate the Hammerhead True Wireless anyways, they say ultra low latency. You know, they're trying to act like this in-ear earbud could be a replacement for a gaming headset, a wireless gaming headset. I mean, they don't say it in those terms, but they're Razer after all. There has to be some sort of gaming angle all the time. So anyways, the Pokemon version is the one I want to crack into because it's just a little more fun. Well, maybe I'll compare to both of them. Always with the missing knife. Yeah, you know what? Why don't we just compare the two of them? I'm only going to do one sound test, obviously, because they are the same earbuds. But, I mean, I never thought I'd see the day. You probably didn't either. Ultra low latency for seamless immersive sound. Touch enabled, voice assistant compatible, water resistant design for an active lifestyle. They got, look, they got the Pikachu on the side. They're yellow. Bluetooth 5.0 and auto pairing, sound isolation, silicone earbud sleeves, and custom tuned 13mm drivers. But it's really, I guess it's all about the Pokeball. Oh, they also put out some other accessories. Again, China exclusive, Pikachu themed situation. Now, I understand that this Pokemon style is not going to be for everyone, but the evaluation rings true in general, especially since the Hammerhead earbud that's inside of here is the same one they sell if you just want the typical black version, if you don't feel that you can pull off the Pikachu stylings. Whoa, that's nice. Look at that little that's nice little unboxing experience right there. Razer, Pokemon. What we do? Oh, that's kind of cool. You gotta admit, that's kind of cool. Look at this perfect little ball there. Look at that. It's cute. Do you call that cute? Would you call that cute? I don't know. The packaging here is definitely an upgrade, and I think it's because they consider this probably to be some sort of a collector's item. Okay, so we pop this open. Is it a... Oh, we don't do that. What do we do? Oh, you just lift it up, okay? You lift it up, and there is your headset. Now, it beeped. It gave me a beep, and there's a light on the front flashing. So the earbuds obviously fit in. Like, this is not the most portable version of this case. I don't even know if you could call it pocketable, unless you got big pockets. Type-C connector on the back. Did you hear that? It says Pika. Very quietly, though. You gotta listen for it. Okay, let's just do a quick, before I put these in my ears, let's do a quick comparison to the other unit and how their standard Hammerhead headset is packaged and what the case looks like. All the specs appear to be the same. You get a different Razer themed piece of paperwork. Yeah, so the case is much smaller here. This is definitely pocketable comparatively, but that's not the point. You know the point here. It's Pokemon fans worldwide. They got their own headset now to support. They wear it on the wrist. That's where your earbuds fit, and this is what the black version of the Hammerhead looks like. They're quite lightweight. The ear tip is a sort of an in-the-ear style. It goes in your ear, but not too far. There is a magnetic grip to it, and then that's what your package looks like at the end of it. But you've seen that one before. That's been out for a while. This is the limited edition one, so I might as well pair up to these guys to do my evaluation. Look at these little friendly things. The material is quite a bit different. So this is a matte finish on this earbud, whereas this one is glossy. This bugs me how this thing does this. You can't, shouldn't it stand up straight? I mean, it does, but it's, eventually that would drive me crazy. Eventually. This is the type of activity that you do all day. You put them in and out of the charge case. I'm dying. Oh, it just screamed Pikachu in my ears. Very loud, in fact. Okay, hold up. These go way louder. For some reason, these go way louder. I feel like they don't have the same limiter on them. I can usually crank the volume full blast right away on any true wireless earbud. I don't even want to go. I'm like more like 3/4 on these. Can I pull that off or what? Bright yellow earbud. Let me get something with a little bit of bass on it. They're loud, but it's not, they're loud in the treble region. They're not loud in the bass region. Sometimes it just has to do with the seal because you have a lot of sound bleeding with something that doesn't fit in your ear super tightly. So I'm gonna try these out, might as well. And then I think I might as well try the other ones just to see if there's any sound difference. I don't expect it. I think they're the same product. It's not gonna change it too much. I'll leave 1 and 1 so I can see the difference. It's screaming Pika because I triggered the assistant. Oh, for me, it definitely sounds worse with these things on. Substantially worse. I'm losing even more low end. I suppose maybe because of the fit, it doesn't, it's sitting even further on the outside of my ear canal with those on. I mean, they're sort of in AirPods territory. They can't, nothing that sits on the outside of your ear canal can really compete with something that has a dedicated ear tip and sits inside. Obviously, it gets closer to your eardrum. You have a better seal. It can create more pressure within the ear canal. Maybe I should just boot up a video real quick and see if there's any lag or if the audio matches the lips. It works. I don't notice any lag. I don't notice any problems with it. So, okay, so there's your limited edition China exclusive. I don't know what you're gonna have to pay to try to track one of these down, particularly if you want to import it to North America. Is it a real product? Is it a collector's item? Well, it's a bit of both. They do really sell this set of earbuds, but what's the practicality of sticking this thing in your pocket unless you're some sort of super fan? Let's try and pair up to these ones. Since we have them both here, we might as well just give it a shot. If you have other Razer products, it's just some cohesiveness. Maybe you have a Razer laptop. Let's do the same song. Woo! Loud. They go loud, man. So $100 by the looks of it. $100 for the stock ones. I mean, we're not talking, of course, about the super limited Pokemon version. That's interesting because I just tested those Anker earbuds. I want to refresh myself right now real quick. Yeah, it was these guys right here. Now the container, the package is, well, it's shaped differently, but it's roughly the same size. This one has an indicator on the front for battery life. I've probably explained this in the past, but these ones have the interchangeable ear tip, which sits further in the ear canal. And of course, there's other products like this, more expensive ones. Samsung makes the Galaxy Buds. Apple has the AirPods Pro. This is a more affordable version of a Pro model. Soundcore Liberty Air 2, that's that one. So this is discounted $20 to $79. Now, one thing to note, it's not all bonus. It's not all positive when you go with an in-ear style. It does isolate you more from your surroundings. So it's a benefit drawback. Same track. Yeah. It's not even close. Yeah, I mean, look, if you are a bass head, if you appreciate bass, if you listen to music where bass is really important, if it's a key component for you, go with any headset that's going to sit further in the ear canal and give you the interchangeable ear tips. They're a little less convenient, like I said, because you can't hear your surroundings easily. For like electronic music, it's night and day, the difference. So it is a bit curious that Razer has gone for this particular design, considering their emphasis on gaming and the electronic edginess. But maybe that has to do with the fact that Razer makes so many gaming specific headsets, over-the-ear style headsets. Yeah, those are $20 more on Amazon than these are, and I would probably go for these. But if you're a super Pokemon fan and you want to try to get your hands on this limited edition, well, I can't find you another substitute for that. If you want to carry your headphones in a Pokeball, then I think you have one option.